Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a powerful concept in the world of quality management and lean manufacturing. Poka Yoke. Poka Yoke, a term derived from Japanese, can be translated as mistake, proofing, or error proofing. It was first introduced by the renowned Japanese engineer Shingo as part of the Toyota production system, which later became a fundamental pillar of lean manufacturing. The main idea behind Poka Yoke is to prevent defects and errors from occurring in the production process or during any activity. It achieves this by implementing simple but effective mechanisms or devices that either make it impossible to make a mistake or immediately detect and alert the operator to any mistake. Poka Yoke is a quality management technique that aims to prevent errors and defects from occurring by implementing foolproof mechanisms or safeguards in processes, products, or services. Its purpose is to eliminate the possibility of mistakes and ensure consistent high-quality output. Poka Yoke originated in Japan and was developed by Shingo, an influential engineer and one of the key figures behind the Toyota production system. In the 1960s, Shingo worked closely with Toyota, where he contributed significantly to the company's manufacturing practices. During his time at Toyota, Shingo recognized that the traditional approach of relying on worker vigilance and post-production inspection to identify and correct defects was not efficient or sustainable. He believed that true quality improvement required a proactive approach to prevent errors from occurring in the first place. Poka Yoke is essential in manufacturing and other fields because error prevention. It helps prevent mistakes and defects at the source, reducing the likelihood of errors in processes, products, or services. Quality improvement. By eliminating defects, it leads to higher product or service quality, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Cost reduction. Poka Yoke reduces waste, rework, and product recalls, leading to cost savings for organizations. Process efficiency. Implementing mistake-proofing mechanisms streamlines processes, making them more efficient and reliable. Implementing Poka Yoke techniques offers a wide range of benefits that positively impact businesses and organizations. Reduced defects, improved product quality, increased productivity, cost savings, enhanced efficiency, time saving. Don't miss out on the game. Changing potential of Poka Yoke, implemented in your processes to prevent errors, improve quality, boost productivity, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Embrace the power of mistake proofing and take that first step towards operational excellence today. Let's revolutionize how we work. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on various topics related to quality management, lean manufacturing, and continuous improvement. By subscribing, you won't miss out on our future updates and exciting insights.